It's a very exciting morning for me. I'm actually supposed to be sitting inside a room looking at our next annual corporate plan this morning. This is a really exciting diversion because I also got to meet two celebrities who inspire me in their work, Mr. Mereseini and Ms. Chanel this morning. Not only that, I get to see you ladies, a lot of whom I had met during the Women's Expo in June this year. And I see this as the culmination of your artwork, bringing it out into the national sphere. I'd like to first of all thank British American Tobacco for sponsoring this very important event, being a major sponsor for it over the past few years, I understand. I must also thank the Ministry of Industry and Trade for providing the necessary support and technical advice in making the Fijian-made brand a reality in our nation. Our journey in this partnership dates back to the first National Women's Expo, resulting in the certification of 52 artisans. The Fijian-made and by Fijian campaign was mooted by the Fijian government in 2009. Primarily to promote and raise the profile of Fijian-made products and produce, both domestically and internationally through a national branding strategy. This initiative supports government's import substitution policy aimed at promoting production of items which are heavily imported but can be easily produced in the country. Fiji has a good mix of skilled crafters like yourselves, who make authentic handicraft depicting the fine culture and heritage of our country. Today, I understand, after the certification of the artisans here before us, we will have a total of 257 Fijian crafted license holders throughout Fiji. I also understand that in the upcoming month, there will be another launch of a new Fijian-made by Fijian campaign brand called Fijian Organic. The Fijian-made and by Fijian campaign has been initiated in light of three major issues. Firstly, to reduce the rising import bills and the country's negative balance of payments position over the years. Secondly, to build a sense of loyalty amongst Fijians to buy our own creation to assist employment generation and expansion of the manufacturing sector, improving the livelihood of the nation as a whole. This basically reflects the concept of thinking globally, acting locally. Thirdly, the branding strategy intends to position Fijian-made products in the international markets to promote exports to strengthen our declining export sector. The National Craft Exhibition is the biggest exhibition of the Fiji Arts Council, apart from the divisional craft shows. This week-long annual event, normally held in Suva to coincide with Hibiscus Festival, whereby over 100 artisans showcase their authentic crafts, providing opportunities for local and international consumers to view the wide spectrum of Fiji's traditional and contemporary crafts. This exhibition is aimed to raise the profile of emerging and established craft practitioners who are registered members of the Fiji Arts Council and Fiji Craft Societies. Ladies and gentlemen, after today you will be members of that society. It is also a platform where traditional and contemporary artisans are given the opportunity to promote their work, gain recognition, participate in the marketplace, income generation, and make an even greater contribution towards the cultural industries in Fiji. It also assists in preserving traditional skills and knowledge, promoting innovation. I'm also told that the number of registered members of the Fiji Craft Society continues to grow each year. The Fiji Craft Society and the Fiji Arts Council promotes and sustains crafted products of local artisans to the highest level of proficiency and supports the professional development of craftspeople. The diversity and style of work showcased on a yearly basis reflects the changing face of contemporary craft in Fiji. At the Ministry, we have just embarked into an initiative for the first time, and that is the production of the Women Artisans and Product Catalogue. The catalogue will serve two purposes. That is to market the products, traditional and contemporary, and secondly, to expose the custodians of the products, which are rural women artisans themselves. This will be a marketing tool and strategy to connect women to markets, not only at national level, but also at regional and international level. I hope that marketing is strengthened for all Fijian crafters alike. And on this note, I encourage government agencies, organizations, embassies, retailers, private sector, and overseas counterparts and members of the public to come and visit the exhibition and see the Fijian crafted goodies for themselves. For our artisans, this is a great achievement on your part to have received this accreditation today, a national accreditation. This shows your excellence in terms of the artwork that you produce. It's also a partnership now with the Fijian government to keep the Fijian crafted emblem alive. We look forward to seeing more of you. I understand it's a majority of women, maybe a few men, who are also being certified today as Fijian crafters. Ladies, I have a message for you. The sheer number of women that are represented in these certification processes, it shows the huge potential that women have, Fijian women have, in relation to nation building, in relation to economic development in Fiji. A lot of what you do also, and how far you go, will depend a lot on the men that stand beside us. Our spouses, our sons, our nephews at home. It's a call also on Fijian men to show the support that is needed so that the potential that the women in your families have can be shown on a national stage like this. Being certified as an artisan, as a Fijian crafted licensee, holds a lot of potential for your families. It will open up doors of opportunities. It will improve livelihoods, not only for ourselves, but for our families. It is accepted. Research shows that when a woman is empowered, when a woman is able to have a livelihood apart from our spouses, the children in the family are better educated, their health is better than those from those families where women are not as empowered. So this is also a call in support of our Honorable Prime Minister, who is a strong advocate for the empowerment of women in Fiji. This licensing today, I urge you, don't let it slip. Go back home and produce what has brought you here today to the same quality. When you're opening yourself up to a market like this, we now have to start thinking about supply. Don't let this slip. We should be able to meet supplies when the orders come. It's a level of professionalism that you're attaining today, a level that's recognized nationally, regionally, and internationally as well. And with that comes responsibility. Responsibility to ensure that the quality that has brought you here today is maintained. A responsibility to ensure that when orders do come knocking at your door, that you do meet that order. It's a responsibility to remain professional and to ensure that the Fijian crafted emblem is not laid to waste. I thank you all for making the effort to be here, and I know that I will be seeing more of your products out on the market. And my team will also be in touch with you to ensure that your products appear on the catalog that we are producing at the moment. I thank you.